Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to choose frequency of recurring messages on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the settings icon at the top half of the screen, and in the left side on the screen go to the message preferences, the third option. Scroll down and in the choose frequency of recurring messages you have three options: all, weekly and monthly, and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.